Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the ultimate guide for playing Rainbow Six Siege on your Xbox using a keyboard and mouse in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting out, this guide will elevate your gameplay experience. Before we start, let's go over the requirements. You'll need an Xbox console, a compatible keyboard and mouse, and of course, a copy of Rainbow Six Siege. Now, let's set up your keyboard and mouse. First, connect your keyboard and mouse via USB. Most keyboards and mice will be automatically recognized by the Xbox. After connecting your devices, it's time to configure your controls. Navigate to the Settings menu in Rainbow Six Siege and find the Controls section. Here, you can customize your key bindings to suit your playstyle. To truly master Rainbow Six Siege, practice is key. Utilize the mouse for precision aiming and the keyboard for swift maneuvering. Remember to perfect your flick shots and learn the maps for strategic advantages. Choosing a keyboard and mouse gives you a competitive edge with enhanced precision, quicker reaction times, and greater customization options. It's the preferred choice for many pro players. Xbox provides several accessibility features to help enhance your gaming experience. From custom key mappings to on-screen text settings, explore what options might work for you. If you encounter any issues like lag or unresponsive controls, check your connections, restart your console, and ensure your peripherals are compatible with Xbox. Consider trying out some popular accessories for Xbox gaming. Brands like Razer, Logitech, and Corsair have excellent options that are specifically designed for console use. And there you have it, your complete guide to playing Rainbow Six Siege on Xbox with a keyboard and mouse. Get ready to elevate your gameplay and enjoy the strategic depth this game has to offer in 2025.